What was Earth like before life filled it up? What do scientists say? The general consensus is that life arose sometime between about 4 and 3.5 billion years ago. The Earth looked much different from the world we know today. There were no people, plants, or even bacteria. The young planet was hotter. There was no ozone to block the deadly ultraviolet radiation, volcanic activity was widespread, and the toxic atmosphere held little or no free oxygen. Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and water vapor, along with smaller amounts of methane and other gases, filled the air. Violent storms were frequent. Lightning most likely flashed through thick clouds as volcanoes released gases into the atmosphere. Continents were thought to be smaller and earthquakes more common. Oceans likely covered more of Earth's surface. Deep in the oceans, volcanoes and hydrothermal vents pump heat and minerals into the sea. It was a dynamic, violent environment. Little or no dissolved oxygen was found. Rather, there was an abundance of iron, carbon dioxide, sulfur compounds, and other minerals. The water may have been slightly acidic, at least in some parts of the ocean. This is important because slightly acidic water dissolves minerals better and permits a range of chemical reactions. In other words, it was a mixture of diverse minerals and compounds. Many scientists believe these created opportunities for life to occur. What amazes me is that even though there was no life, the laws of chemistry were present. Chemicals could only react with each other as they do now. All the raw materials for every compound were available. Those raw minerals had properties that allowed them to react and combine only in certain ways. The laws of physics all applied then as now. Gravity behaved as expected. Stars and planets formed and established their paths around the sun. Light behaved then as it does now, displaying both wave-like and particle-like properties. It seems like the Earth was a place of chaos, but it really was not. Rather, it was a place of order, with a set of rules by which they were bound. In this ancient world, organic life did not exist. There were no trees, insects, or bacteria. Early Earth was like an alien world held together by the same rules that hold it together today. The universe operates according to remarkably consistent laws. But where did those laws come from? Did they come into existence with the universe? Or did the universe come into existence with them? What's your perspective? Share it in the comments.